Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow. Thanks so much for joining me. Today, a little bit late, we're going to be looking at my Witch's Moon box for May 2019. This is a box that it comes in for discretion. Let's dive right in. This came May 7th, but I was on vacation, so hence the delay. And I haven't peeked, not once. I know the theme because I follow them, but I haven't peeked. Oh, interesting. I got this oracle from another box last month. Let's see what the oracle is. Abundance. Cool. I got two different ones. Yes. I am blessed beyond measure. Look here. You got a sigil here. Lovely. Looks like we're going to have a different type candle because I got the candle here. Usually it's wrapped around it. I'm going to save this because I like to read it at the end. I know it's the Adorned Goddess. Ooh. Aphrodite. Beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What we got there? Tank. I've missed my boxes. Litha. She's coming up. Lovely. Smells like flowers. Rose, which is totally appropriate for Aphrodite. Jasmine, of course. Raspberry leaf, very nice. Oh my god. I can already kind of see the big item, but I usually save it for last. Okay. Which... don't come back in. Incense, it smells divine. Maybe amber, but probably a little different. Aphrodite. Ooh, ah! I caught it. It smells a little bit like roses, but mostly like flowers. Not too overpowering. Settle. Okay, we definitely got some oddly shaped candles this month, which is pretty cool. It's always nice when we get a change of pace. I think oh god. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm getting all... There we go. Ooh. Pretty twin ones. With flower petals on them. And I just love the delicate smell of beeswax. Let's fold this under. Oh, this beauty here. Look at this beautiful thing. Let me very, very gently open this. Wow. Wow. What a magnificent, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful box. Nothing like I've ever gotten. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm gonna break it. Am I doing it wrong? Am I doing it wrong? No. Okay. Oh, there we go. Did I damage it? No. Okay. Thank God. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Soy bruta. I'm rough and awkward. But everything's okay and it's full of goodies. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Look at you. Even just the feel of you in my hands is just... I don't know, sensual, wonderful. It's a pleasure. I love these for praying. Beautiful. Looks like rose quartz, pearl, maybe amethyst with a tassel. Absolutely, absolutely divine. Let's see let's get some more information. The Adorned Goddess. The largest obstacle to overcome along our path is the self-doubt and negative thought patterns that tend to cripple progress and opportunity. The practice of harnessing strength and power within our rituals is a key ingredient to living a truly full life, captured by beauty, love, passion, and divine connection. These intentions are not intended to be used when you are feeling stagnant, but rather as a daily, constant effort. As we work towards self-love and empowerment, our spiritual representation of ourself develops into a powerful force, demanding the outcomes of manifestations to react accordingly. This headspace will be a working factor in your spiritual growth and development and allows you to pull energy from within. The confidence that can be gained from working with these tools will leave a lasting effect on how the physical world reacts to you, as well as the potency of your spell, workings, and rituals. We have been working to source and create the items in this collection over many moons and send them with intention of empowering the Adorned Goddess within. The Empowerment and Manifestation Necklace. This is truly wonderful. We are so thrilled to have been able to create a custom empowerment and manifestation necklace for this specific collection. Made of rose quartz, amethyst, and freshwater pearls, this beautiful piece holds the energy to bring countless benefits to your daily craft and spiritual experience. The rose quartz has been chosen for this piece to bring with it unconditional love and compassion. Used in many self-love rituals, rose quartz provides us with an easy path to self-acceptance and forgiveness. The amethyst has been placed as larger beads to alleviate anxiety and impatience during your mantras and affirmations, providing a calm and balanced energy. Amethyst is a great facilitator of emotional ease during mediation. Among the most revered are the natural freshwater pearls that we were able to include in this piece. Known for their natural properties, pearls have been associated throughout history as providing the wisdom to strengthen and enhance the growth of love from within. These characteristics create a magnet, attracting all that is good towards you. In addition to creating this necklace, Bobo, be patient. In addition to creating this necklace for manifestation and empowerment purposes, we have followed the anatomy of the mala to bring sacredness and symbolism to your workings. Excuse me, sir. Hold on, please. Sorry. It has 108 beads, which is what I thought. It's very specific to mala and was known as the number of existence to the Vedic tradition. Throughout Indian culture, the number 108 resonates with sacred yoga texts as well as sacred sites. As well as the importance behind the beads, the tassel holds the symbolism of 1,000 lotus petals. As you place the necklace, on, oh my lord, I lost my place. As you place this necklace on your hand, start by holding the amethyst above the tassel between your thumb and index fingers. As you pull each bead through your fingers, recite your intended affirmation. As these beads were placed together to bring empowerment, create an affirmation that suits the pressing realities in your world. Amazing. My Hellion dog. Mother of Pearl shell box. I'll show you one more time. It's beautiful. To accompany your empowerment and manifestation necklace, we've included a Mother of Pearl shell box. This beautifully crafted box is a great tool to charge items while they are not in use. Mother of Pearl, or nacre, is the iridescent inner layer of the shell of oysters and abalones. Bringing with its beauty and silent strength comes a gentle healing power brought by the sea, known for its stress relieving properties. Passion Enhancement Sigil. Here. The Aphrodite Book of Shadows artwork. Here. The Amari Twin Candles spell candle set. We have hand rolled and anointed these spell candles with the intention of sending and receiving love. As both of these spell candles are lit and placed beside one another, they represent the union of energy intertwined, sending and receiving. I'll let you guys look at that. Aphrodite Magical Anointing Oil. So let's see. Brings beauty and love into one life. It has jasmine, rose, patchouli, and sweet marjoram. Includes rose, jasmine, hibiscus, and bloodroot as well. It also has a little bit of Come To Me magical oil. Litha Sacred Salt. Orange, rose, bergamot, as well as hyssop, lavender, St. John's wort, and hawthorn, as well as midsummer oil. Attraction incense, yes. Raspberry leaf, jasmine, rose petal, personalized oracle from the Oracle of Unicorns, lovely, and the Ritual Book of Shadows paper, which is of course the last page. This has been an amazing, as always, I mean, man, what a wonderful set of boxes to come home to. My God, this has been wonderful, just wonderful. And it's really nice because I just came from the sea, many days on the sea, and so it's really beautiful. It's really lovely. I love the energy. It's very good energy for me. What I will say is I like the theme. I have not, believe it or not, gotten any Aphrodite theme boxes to my knowledge, to my memory. And of course I'm going to do a review. This is my new process, to do a review at the end of the month. And I already know that this is just out of the park wonderful. And the jewelry box as well. I don't really have very many jewelry boxes. I always use this. Everything's really cool. I love this box. This is May 2019 Witch's Moon box. This is like my 14th or 15th, no, 14th box from them. So I'm a long-term subscriber. I love them. The theme was the Adorned Goddess with Aphrodite. And it was an amazing box. Thank you so much. I love it. So basically, please like, comment what you thought about this. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm sorry my videos have been running long lately, but I just feel like I have so much to say. I've missed you guys. So drop me some comments. Let's chat. I want you to know these are not going to be in chronological order because I am super behind. So they're going to be kind of mixed up. But for the record, this came, I think, May 7th. Let me see. May 6th. I'm sorry. Came May 6th. But I was gone. So it'll be posted as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. I've missed you, and I can't wait to chat with you guys more. You know, basically all the time. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.